Pakistanis across the country are protesting following an unfair outcome to the chief ministerial election held in the Punjab province. For context, today's election was a redo of the chief minister election held in March. It was redone because 25 members last time went against the constitution to defect PTI and vote for the other party's candidate, Hamza Shahbaz. The Election Commission ultimately disqualified these members, and by-elections were held on July 17th for the seats of the 20 members who had elected positions. These elections were historic. They had one of the largest voter turnouts in Pakistan's history, and PTI received a landslide victory. However, when the vote for Chief Minister of Punjab was held again, the other parties took many steps to prevent PTI from succeeding. For example, many attempts have been made to bribe or threaten PTI members just so they don't vote in favor of PTI. During the election, the PTI-backed candidate Pervez Elahi secured 186 votes, while Hamza Shahbaz received 179. 176 PTI members and 10 PMLQ members voted for Pervez Elahi, but at the last minute, the Deputy Speaker of the House rejected PMLQ's votes because he said he received a letter from the PMLQ chairman Chaudhry Shujat directing members to vote for Hamza Shahbaz. He cited that their votes countered the Supreme Court's ruling on defecting one's party. However, Chaudhry Shujat is not the parliamentary leader of PMLQ, so his letter and any instructions on voting have no importance. Also, PMLQ member Hussain Elahi said that during a parliamentary meeting, the party decided its members would actually vote for Pervez Elahi. This is why Pakistanis are demanding that the Supreme Court takes notice of the Deputy Speaker's unconstitutional decision and counts the PMLQ votes.